Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Lenovo Tab Extreme, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Lenovo Tab Extreme, folio case, Precision Pen, Type-C 2 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging cable, power adapter, user manual. Product overview. Specification. How to use. Setup guide. Choose your preferred language from the available list. Select Next or Start to continue the setup process. Review the user agreement and privacy policy if needed. Accept the terms by checking the agreement box and selecting Next. Sign in with your Google account when connected to Wi-Fi. Google Login allows access to services like the Play Store and account syncing. Control location, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, and diagnostic data options based on your preferences. Review privacy and user experience options. Enable or disable automatic updates and user experience programs based on your preference. Protect your device using PIN, pattern, password, fingerprint, or face recognition with a backup lock method for recovery. Select gesture navigation for a smooth touch experience or 3-button navigation for familiar controls based on your preferred usage style. Basic gestures. Your device supports gesture navigation and virtual key navigation. The following gestures are only available for the gesture navigation style. To change the navigation style, go to Settings, greater than General Settings, greater than System Navigation. Customize home screen. Press and hold the home screen to add, move, resize, or remove widgets according to your preference for a customized layout. Wallpaper. Use your apps. Uninstall an app. Notifications and quick settings. Quick settings panel. Factory reset. System update. Force shutdown. Open Settings, go to Safety and Emergency, select Install Unknown Apps, and enable permission for trusted apps like Chrome to install external applications. Display. Eye protection and safety information. Biometrics and passwords. One Vision. Split screen. Digital well-being and parental controls. Parental controls. Pen and keyboard. Battery. Permission management. Apps. Switch camera modes. View photos and videos. Files. Browse files. Tablet projection to computer. Multiple users. Switching between user accounts. Deleting user account. Adaptive capture. Global video beauty. Video portrait. Key mapping. How to connect. Attach the Precision Pen 3 to the tablet to establish a wireless connection. Ensure the pen is properly aligned with the tablet for successful pairing. Connect the tablet to a Wi-Fi network for internet access. If you skip Wi-Fi setup, some features like automatic date and time settings and Google login may not appear. Wireless local area network. Mobile network. VPN, Bluetooth, wired projection, tablet projection to monitor, smart features. Turn the Lenovo Tab Extreme into a PC-like workstation with a desktop interface, resizable windows, shortcuts, and easy multitasking. Run up to 4 apps at once on the 14.5-inch OLED display, letting you watch, browse, take notes, and chat without switching screens. Use floating app windows that can be resized and moved freely, creating a desktop-like setup for smoother multitasking. Use floating app windows that can be resized and moved freely, creating a desktop-like setup for smoother multitasking. Use the Lenovo Tab Extreme as a second display to extend, mirror, or create a touch-enabled workspace for your PC. The ultra-wide front camera keeps you centered during calls with AI tracking and noise reduction for clearer communication. Advanced features. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Lenovo Tab Extreme. See you in the next one.